Hey everybody, Chuck Wick, along with Simon Ritchie here today at Baldwin Filters. And we're gonna do a real quick video for you on the removal and installation of the PE17000. This is a diesel exhaust fluid filter. We've had some requests of how we like to install and take it out. So we're gonna do it here for you real quick. Simon is going to be the muscle. He's going to do the removal, and I'm going to talk you through our procedure. So Simon, first thing he's going to do is remove the cap. And we understand that this is under the truck. We understand that this is messy, so there's going to be a bunch of fluid coming out. But we're doing it here in the lab to show you, so bear with us. So he removes the membrane, and he removes the cap. Next thing he's going to do is get into his new PE17000 kit. He's going to pull out the removal tool, and he's going to take that tool and stick it through the bottom cap all the way up through the top end cap, and you hear it snap into place. And he's going to pull, and this is a Bearcat. It comes out of there really tough, especially after a long service cycle. And Simon's going to show you the proper place where that tool needs to be. It needs to be clear up into that top end cap so you could grab it and pull it out. We don't want you to break that filter and then have to dig it out. That's no fun. So the next thing he's going to do is he's going to grab the new element and membrane out of the bag with the instructions. He's going to take a little DEF fluid that we have here, and he's going to use that to lube the O-rings and lube the membrane where it contacts the cap. There's several products out on the market that you could use for this also. We find DEF works just fine, and there's no compatibility problems. So after he gets it lubed up real good with the fluid, he's going to locate the assembly into the cap, and he's going to align it, the element, the membrane, and the cap, and he's going to use the cap to drive the element and membrane into place. And what that does is it allows everything to be seated nice and even in there. It lines up, and it should prevent any leakage from happening. So if you have any questions, please contact us, but this is what we would say our preferred method is. Thank you very much.